Good morning, my dear students. I am Jerry Wheeler, your mathematics teacher for class 9, and today we will solve exercise 4.3 in which we will learn the graphical representations of the equations. We will learn how to represent an equation on a graph paper. So let's start. So let's solve exercise 4.3 in which first question is given. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables, and we will solve this first part. Let's see here in copy. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables in which first equation was given x plus y equals to 4. Now x plus y equals to 4, we have to express this equation on graph, which means graphical representation we have to show. So in order to show this graphical representation, what we have to do, we have to assume the value of x, and after assuming the value of x, ultimately we will get the value of y. Okay, in this way we at least we have to try to find out two solutions, because on the basis of two solutions we can draw the graph, but it's recommended that at least find three solutions, okay, for our convenience. So let's solve. So first we have assumed like x equals to 0. If x equals to 0, so we can write x plus y as 0 plus y. So 0 plus y equals to 4. Now 0 plus y means y only, so y comes 4. As you have seen, we have put the value of x as 0. Okay, I'm writing here. We have put the value of x as 0. So what value of y came? 4. So we can write 0 comma 4 is the first solution. Okay, 0 comma 4 is the first solution, solution number 1. Okay, you have seen x 0, 0 plus y equals to 4, so 0 comma 4. Now as I told you, at least we need two solutions to find out the to draw the graph. So now let's find the second solution. As in first part we have assumed x equals to 0, so now we can assume y equals to 0. So let y equals to 0. So what will happen? X plus y equals to 4, so x plus 0 equals to 4. So it means x plus 0 means x only, so x equals to 4. So it means when we have assumed y equals to 0, so automatically what value of x came? 4. So now it comes 4 comma 0, because we are writing x value first. So 4 comma 0. So we got at least two solutions. We can draw the graph on the basis of these two solutions, but it is recommended that to at least find out three solutions. So we can find three solutions, no problem. So now let assume let x is equals to 1. So let x equals to 1. So x plus y equals to 4. So in place of x what comes? 1. So 1 plus y equals to 4. Now when we move this 1 to the right hand side, so what will happen? It will come in subtraction form. So 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So when we have assumed x equals to 1, so what y value came? Y value came 3. So in this way we got the coordinates of x, y as 1 comma 3. So we got our solution 1. We have assumed x value 1. So what value of y we got? 3. So in this way we got three solutions: 0 comma 4, 4 comma 0, and 1 comma 3. Now we'll draw the graph on the basis of at least of these out of these two solutions. Okay, so this is our graph. As you can see, this is horizontal line x-axis, which we can x dash o x, and vertical line y o y dash. Okay, this is our graph. Now we'll try to show this linear equation x plus y equals to 4 on this graph. So let's solve. So our first solution was 0 comma 4. So 0 comma 4, it means the x value is what? 0, and what is the y value? 4. When x value is 0, so the 0 will come here only. So what is the value of y? Y value is 4. So whenever we got the equation like this, 0 comma 4 solutions, so here the y value is 4, so we will show this on the vertical line, that is here. It shows 0 comma 4. We can write here 0 comma 4. Okay, because here the value of x is what? You can see the coordinate of x is what? 0. That's why we can show here 0 comma 4. So this point showing 0 comma 4. Next point is what? The next point was 4 comma 0. Now value of y is 0. So this point will come in x-axis. This point will show 4 comma 0. About this we have discussed in our previous videos. So 4 comma 0 means x value, coordinate of x is 4 and coordinate of y is 0. So it will come here. Okay, now on the basis of these 2 points only we can draw the straight line. Okay, even you can, so the one more point is there, 1 comma 3. Using this point also you can use but right now we don't need it. We can just on the basis of these 2 points we can draw the line. So let's draw the line. So now as you can see, on the basis of these two solutions 0, 4 and 4, 0, we have draw the straight line. First we have plot these points here on the graph, and then after using these 2 points we have joined these 2 points with the straight line. So if you check 1, 3 is another solution, it is coming in this line or not? 1 is there, go straight line, and 3 will come in this way straight line. So see, this shows the 1, 3 also. 1, 3 also coming in the same line. Okay, so this shows which equation? This shows the equation x plus y equals to 4. Okay, what shows? X plus y equals to 4. So we can write here this equation as x plus y equals to 4. Okay, so in this way we have expressed this equation in the form of graphical representation. So I hope it is clear to you. So let's move to another part. Now in book another part is given x minus y equals to 2, then third part y equal to 3x, and the last part 3 equal to 2x plus y. So this you can solve these two parts, part second and part third, these two parts, part second and part third as homework. This fourth part we will solve here. Okay, that is 3 equal to 2x plus y. So how we can write this one? Just look at here. 3 equals to 2x plus y we are solving. So we can write this equation in this way also, 2x plus y equals to 3. There will be no problem at all. Now 2x plus y, this 3 we can take this side, so it becomes minus 3 equal to 0. So it come in that equation only, ax plus by plus c equals to 0, that form. But it's better to write this 3 into right hand side only. So 2x plus y equals to 3. Now as I told you, in order to draw the graph of the equation, what we have to do first? First we have to find at least 2 solutions. On the basis of those 2 solutions we can draw the graph. Okay, but it is recommended that at least find 3 solutions, so we can find 3 solutions, that is also no problem. Therefore first x equals to 0, so we are assuming x equals to 0. Let's do the another pen. So x equals to 0. So in place of x what will come? 0. Just look at here, in place of x what will come? 0. So 2 into 0, so 2x plus y, so 2 into 0 plus y equals to 3. Now 2 zeros are 0, so 0 plus y equals to 3, so y comes what? 3. So when we have used x as 0, so what is the value of y come? That is 3. Okay, now this is the coordinate of x, y, 0, 3. Now as in first part we have assumed x equals to 0, so in next part we can assume y equals to 0. So what will come? 2x plus y equals to 3. So in place of y what comes? 0. So 2x plus 0 means 2x only equals to 3. Now this 2 into x, this is in which form? Multiplication form. So this 2 will go in division form. So it becomes x equals to 3 upon 2. What comes? 3 upon 2. Just look at here. 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. Now how we can write 3 upon 2? If we divide this 3 by 2, so 2 1 is 2, point will put decimal point, so it will come 0, so, and 2 5 is 10. So 3.2 we can write as 1.5. Okay, what we can write? 1.5. So what is the coordinates of x comma y? That is 1.5 comma 0. So we can write 1.5 comma 0, 1.5 comma 0. In this way we can find another solution. So let's now assume x equals to 1, so 2x plus y equals to 3. It means 2 into 1, so 2 into 1 plus y equal to 3. 2 1 is 2 plus y equals to 3. Now this 2 will go to right hand side. It is right now in plus form, so it will go minus 3 minus 2 1. So what is the value of x? We have assumed 1. So what is the value of y came? That is also came 1. So last solution came 1 comma 1. Okay, now on the basis of these solutions and at least any 2 solutions we can find out the graph of this equation. So let's draw the graph. So as first solution was 0 comma 3, as the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 3, so this will come on y axis, that is 3. So just check where is y axis. This is y axis, where is 3? This is 3. So this point will show what? 0, that is the coordinate of x, and this is 3, this is the coordinate of y. Second solution is what? 1.5 comma 0. So here the coordinate of x is what? 1.5. Now the question is that where this 1.5 will come? This 1.5 will come in between of 1 and 2. It means exactly in this point, middle. Okay, and what is the coordinate of y? That is 0. So it means this point only will show what? This point only will show 1.5 comma 0. Okay, and at last point is what? 1.1. This point we can get afterwards also, no problem, but we can show here also, no problem. 1 1, so it will show 1 comma 1. This point is showing 1 comma 1. Now last part is what? We have to join these 3 points, 1 2 3. Okay, let's join this. So after joining these 3 points with these straight lines, we got this line, and this line shows only what? The equation is what? 3 equals to 2x plus y, or we can write 2x plus 3y, 2x plus y equal minus 3. It's up to us. So 3 equals to 2x plus y. This is shows by this line, this straight line. Okay, so in this way we have shown this equation on graph. So this is called the graphical representation of this linear equations in two variables. So I put this clear to you, so you can solve the remaining parts of this question by yourself. Okay class, thank you. At last, I just want to say, be safe at home and take care of yourself and your family members.